This holiday season, take your loved one's dreams to new heights with the ultimate gift, a certified flight simulator experience right in the heart of Manhattan. At Aviator NYC, we offer hands-on training on the FAA-certified flight simulator guided by experienced airline pilots. Whether your loved one is an aspiring pilot or a seasoned flyer, our tailored lessons will elevate their flying skills. For young enthusiasts and beginners, our lessons offer an exciting introduction to aviation. With a focus on the basic principles of flight, weather, and aircraft systems, our FAA-certified simulators provide a perfect start. We recommend a 1-hour session, specifically tailored for those under 13, that ensures an engaging and age-appropriate introduction to flying. For those who have already had flight hours, our lessons will build upon existing knowledge. In our professional-grade simulator here, students refine skills in aircraft control, navigation, airport and airspace operation, decision-making, understanding the Garmin G1000 system under the expert guidance of instructors, among other things. Each lesson is customized, enhancing the learning journey. For pilots working on their instrument rating, you will find our sessions invaluable. Our lessons cover advanced aspects of instrument flying, including detailed IFR regulations and instrument procedures. The FAA Advanced Aviation Training Devices allow students to log 20 hours out of 40 towards their instrument rating. Not to mention, here they are working with an active airline pilot. Seasoned pilots will discover advanced training and skill refinement opportunities with us. Our sessions include challenging scenarios where pilots can receive credit from the FAA Safety Wings programs. This is tailored to the pilot's specific needs and experience levels. Our FAA certified simulator here offers a realistic experience of flying popular training planes like Cessna, Piper, and Beechcrafts. Every session is a deep dive into the world of flying, from pre-flight briefings to hands-on control. From young enthusiasts to those working on their instrument rating, we have options for everyone. Every participant will also receive a pilot logbook which will track their progress. At Aviator NYC, we cater to all levels of aviation enthusiasts. From beginners to experienced pilots, our FAA certified flight simulator here and seasoned instructors offer an unparalleled journey into the world of flying. This holiday season, give the gift of an extraordinary flying experience, where every flight simulation is one step closer to becoming a pilot.